OTC Group Chief Executive Officer Nesta Paul Katende has urged universities to adopt project-oriented curricula to unlock opportunities in artificial intelligence and prepare students for the future of work. Katende was speaking to journalists during the annual Disability Lecture 2025 held at the ADB building at Mackay University Business School, MOOPS, under the theme Artificial Intelligence for Tomorrow, Empowering Students for the Future of Workforce.
If now you are in the age of agentic AI, the difference between AI and agentic AI is that AI is the normal ChatGPT, it talks to you back, right? The normal Gemini. Agentic AI is autonomous. You program it, go online, do for me a market analysis, then send me an email every Friday at 2 p.m. It's proactive, it's not reactive. It does exactly what you meant to do. The strategic decision of why you actually talk to it can execute, send you emails, book you an appointment. That means if I have a company, and I'm the founder, and I have an army of AI agents in my company that do for me marketing, analysis, customer service, and everything, the world is going to move very far, not very far from now. We're about to enter what we call solopreneurship. We're about to see billionaire companies that are owned by one person, and it simply has AI agents. So we're going to move away from those silos of marketing department, HR, and all these other departments, where a person is one, he has a laptop and the internet connectivity, and he has agents that are autonomously doing all the work, all these departments.
He challenged university students with disabilities to fully embrace digital innovation, saying the technological landscape has leveled the playing field.
But it's predictable. Why? Because you can see that we moved from simply machine learning, the AI that simply analyzes data. 2020s, 2023 COVID, we moved into the LLMs, large language models, the ChatGPTs that speak to you with human-like fluency. That means that, so when agentic AI comes in the early 2023s that are autonomous, you can now say that if I can have an agent AI in marketing, in legal, in HR, people are going to say, to save costs, I can actually build a company myself. Because now if I can create a website in minutes, if I can build a mobile application, if I can build a system, and with all this global internet connectivity and distribution, we are entering into solopreneurship. And the definition of the Fortune 500, the definition of a multi-billionaire founder, that playbook is about to be rewritten forever.
So in relation, Katende, a former banker turned digital innovator, told the students that they must seize opportunities in artificial intelligence as the job market continues to evolve.
Well, students should embrace AI for the simple reason that the current job market has changed. We are in the fourth industry revolution. The jobs of 1962 are different from the jobs of 2025. Right now, the age, the eon, and dispensation we're in now is fundamentally shifting. The tectonic plates of different industries has changed, that now the foundational technology is AI, artificial intelligence. So for a student to be relevant and to have the bargaining power over how much they are paid or earn is going to be very critical for them to understand how is AI, how is cutting edge technology shifting their industry if they graduate after university, even before they graduate after university.
He noted that the employment landscape of 1962 is radically different from that of 2025, yet the demand for services continues to grow. He added that industries including banking, education, surveying, medicine, and commerce are undergoing rapid shifts driven by digital transformation.
Humble backgrounds where they can't buy such things. So how will we access them?
I don't think that's true. Anyone is able to use technology depending on their ability, because each of us are differently abled. So it's easy. It's just a matter of you getting to access it in a way you can, like, be able to work with it. Like, for example, me, I am able to use a computer and all that. Yeah, understanding. Then I have friends who are visually impaired. They're also able to access the technology and also be able to use the internet plus the devices present, because they are well developed, and they are helped to like create awareness, and they help them to be able to access the internet by repairing the devices and maybe making them affordable and accommodative to them. Yes.
Katende advised the students to position themselves strategically to remain relevant after graduation, saying their earning power will increasingly depend on how well they understand and utilize cutting-edge technology. He likened the evolution of agentic artificial intelligence to predictable geological activity. Katende, who operates businesses in both Uganda and Rwanda, called on the government to design a more supportive artificial intelligence policy framework similar to those in Kenya and Rwanda. He said the two countries have used digital transformation to power the creation of mobile applications, digital products, and globally adopted technology solutions. Two MOB students with disabilities, Basham Ali Chisubi and Esther Afra Mulongo, appealed to the government to subsidize digital equipment such as laptops, smartphones, and the Ray-Ban metal artificial intelligence glasses, which they said remain unaffordable for many visually impaired students, costing between $300 and $800. William Uranga, Beg Television.